Ms. Reese, and my question is, why did God create sin and Satan in the first place, knowing we would sin?
All right. The Bible doesn't tell us exactly why God created. We say that God did not create evil. Although I know the passage in Isaiah is translated in the old translation by "I create evil and I bring prosperity," and that's a use of a parallelism. That is, I bring prosperity, I bring catastrophe. That's what that means. Not that God creates moral evil, but God certainly did more than simply know that our parents were going to fall into sin. Now, if you can bear this, I'll quote Augustine. Augustine says that God ordains freely and immutably whatsoever comes to pass. And then the parentheses that Augustine would say, in a certain sense. Now, God, if there is sin in this world, and there's a devil in this world, you know absolutely that God ordained that there be a devil, and that God ordained that human beings would sin. That's not the same thing as saying that God sinned. You might say, well, God, that was a bad thing that you did for creating the devil, or a bad thing that you did to having creatures that would sin against you. Now, we're never allowed to call good evil or evil good. Now, here's the difficult thing I want you to say. I want you to understand that evil is evil. It is not good. But it is good that there is evil. It is good that there is a devil, or there wouldn't be a devil, or there wouldn't be sin, because God has ordained both the existence of Satan and the existence of sin, and everything that God ordains ultimately is good. You can chew on that for a little while.
Good afternoon.